Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike York. Today's Friday, June 19th. Hope you guys having a wonderful day so far, and hope you guys got some great upcoming plans for the weekend here. We got actually a quiet day today for the most part. We don't have any economic data to report on the calendar, so we'll head right to the headline news. Stocks started off a little higher this morning on news that out of Bloomberg that China is going to be purchasing more agricultural products. They're increasing it. They're below the pace that they had expected after signing the phase one, so they're trying to get caught up due to the pandemic. They, of course, uh, kind of put a hold on a lot of that stuff. So they're trying to get caught up, and so they're going to expedite that buying process in the meanwhile. So that kind of got investors a little bit excited about where things are going, and especially in terms of there's been a lot of tit for tat both between the U.S. and China of late. So there's questions as to what's going to happen if that phase one's going to be kind of null and void type of thing. In any case, that it did start up higher, but the stocks are still up, but just off the highs what we saw earlier. We do have a few Fed speakers that are scheduled for your slate today, and we'll see if any of them make any movement in the markets. Meanwhile, in the mortgage-backed securities, we're down a little bit. We're actually down below the 25-day moving average. We did close up approximately about 8 to 9 basis points, about 8 basis points yesterday from when we left off, and did close above 25. But however, today we're down pretty much where we were currently, but where we left off yesterday. Or, I'm sorry, where we first started off yesterday. And as you can see, we even did kind of testing out the 50-day moving average. We'll kind of see how this holds for the rest of the day here. But in any case, this is currently where we're at. So I'm going to say that mortgage rates should be priced pretty similar to what we saw. It's not a big enough swing in either direction even from yesterday to today to have really any price changes. So pricing should be very similar. It might be, you're talking like pricing maybe a point of a point, like 1/10 of a point or something along that lines. You might see a difference, but in any case, pricing should be relatively the same what we saw yesterday. Uh, and for the most part, as you can see, it's been kind of the sideways pattern here. Yields, kind of same thing. It's still below the 25-day moving average. It did test a little bit higher earlier in the day, approximately. I think it was up to around 73.73. Currently now we're down to about 0.71. And again, it's kind of the same position where it was yesterday, where it started off, and still below the 25-day moving average. So far we are in a lower position, creating less pressure on mortgage-backed securities and mortgage rates. So to reiterate, mortgage rates should be pretty much unchanged from what we saw yesterday. It should be very similar. We shouldn't have any spikes or anything. But again, this is kind of early in the day, and things could change, especially heading into a weekend here. If you guys are in California looking to buy or refinance, please reach out. We'd love to be able to help you out with your scenario. We can help you with your pre-approvals and get your financing to purchase your property, whether it's investment, second home, or primary residence. If you're looking to buy up or down, either way, we can help you out. If you guys are looking to refinance, whether if it's a lower term or perhaps you want to buy, lower rate, or if you want to reduce it from a 30 to 15-year fix or something in between, we can certainly help you out in those notes as well. We can provide a lot of different solutions in terms of helping you plan for college education, or planning for being able to help financing for college tuition if you got younger kids that want to get ready for the future, as well as financial planning in terms of managing your debt and helping you attain those goals, working with your financial advisor to obtain those goals, as well as even sometimes situations we get with divorces. So sometimes the home's involved, and we can help you out with trying to figure something out with the equity and everything else that can help both sides, evenly. So in any case, best way to reach me is direct message me or email me. Email, I do get the quickest. I do respond a little bit faster on those. Otherwise, you guys have a great rest of your day. Enjoy your weekend. We'll see you in Monday's video. Take care.